How to return an item on Temu. First of all, launch the Temu application on your device. Once you've logged into your account, tap on this You option from the bottom navigation bar. Access this Your Orders tab. From here, head to the Delivered option over here from the top panel. Then open exact product detail that you want to return. Once you open that profile, you should be able to find refund or return button over there. Simply check the boxes next to the specific items you want to send back, then state the reason from the drop-down menu, and also choose your refund method. Once you have done so, select your return shipping method, usually USPS or the UPS itself. Then download and print the prepaid return label generated by the Temu itself. Tap it securely to the outside of your box and drop it off at your local shipping location. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.